Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just going to be doing a quick custard. First of all, what you have to do, you have to get your sugar, eggs, milk. You whisk the sugar and the egg together first of all. Then you want to strain it, ensure none of the eggshells are in there. Then you want to add your milk. If you have some essence, some mixed essence, that will work great. Add your mixed essence and you whisk it all together. And once it has the desired consistency, you pour it into a pan and you bake it, or you pour it into a dish, just like I did there, and you sprinkle the top with nutmeg. That is an essential part of it. You sprinkle the top with some nutmeg and you bake it. And there you have your custard. Thank you once again for watching, and I do hope you like my video. If you do, just hit the thumbs up button. You can also subscribe so that you'll be notified when I post more videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye.